Good day, everyone. So here we have our new lesson for today, which is transitional devices. So in English, in English, there are many things to consider in writing in a grammatically correct way. And one of those ways is using transitional devices. So what are transitional devices? Transitional devices are like bridges between parts of your paper. They are cues that helps the reader to interpret ideas a paper develops. Transitional devices are words or phrases that help carry a thought from one sentence to another, from one idea to another, or from one paragraph to another. So, using this definition, transitional devices are those words that help you connect each sentence, each paragraph to the next paragraph in a way that they seem connected, that they seem related to one another. And finally, transitional devices link sentences and paragraphs together so smoothly that there are no abrupt jumps or breaks between ideas. So as I have stated, so these are the bridges or the words that help connect the sentences or paragraphs together in a way that they seem related to one another. So that we have here a idea about marshmallows, we have here the idea about coffee, but with the use of transitional devices, they seem like they are connected or they are related to one another, although they are two different ideas. So we have different kinds of transitional devices. So transitional devices that helps add information is the following. And again, and then, besides, equally important, finally, further, furthermore, nor, to, next, lastly, what's more, moreover, in addition, first, second, and etc. Next, transitional devices that helps compare an idea to another idea is were areas, but, yet, on the other hand, however, nonetheless, on the contrary, by comparison, were, compared to, up against, balance against, vice vis, but, although, conversely, meanwhile, after all, in contrast, although this may be true. Next, transitional devices that helps prove something. We have because, for, since, for the same reason, obviously, evidently, furthermore, moreover, and so on and so forth. Next, to show exception. What do you mean by exception? Meaning, this is not belonging to the same group. So it does not belong. It is separated. So we have yet, still, however, nevertheless, in spite of, despite, and so on and so forth. Transitional devices that helps show us the time. Immediately, thereafter, soon, after a few hours, finally, then, later, and so on and so forth. The transitional devices that helps us to repeat something or to summarize something. So we have in brief, as I have said, as I have noted, as has been noted. Transitional devices that helps emphasize to make a point of something. So we have definitely, extremely, obviously, in fact, indeed, in any case, absolutely, positively, naturally, and so on and so forth. Next is transitional devices that helps to show the sequence. So what it shows us what is first, what is second, and so on and so forth. So we have first, second, third, and so forth. A, B, C. Next then, following this, at this time, now, at this point, and so on and so forth. transitional devices that helps us show the example of an idea. So we have, for example, for instance, in this case, in another case, on this occasion, and so on and so forth. To summarize or to finish, don't be confused with to repeat. Okay, this is only to repeat something, but there is still more to come. This time, to summarize or conclude, it is still repeating, but this time it is now the finale. Nothing will come after it. So we have in brief, on the whole, summing up, to conclude, in conclusion, and so on and so forth. So that is all for transitional devices. I hope you learned or understand our lesson for today. If you have any questions, so feel free to ask me. So that is all. Goodbye.